In front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on Device Unlock. Now it's time to select Screen Lock and finally select one of those locking methods by tapping on the best one for you. Pattern, PIN or password. After you decided, you get to create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Now answer this question by choosing one of the available options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I will go with Show All Notification on Lock Screen, so all I need to do now is tap on it and hit Done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!